Hello and welcome to Drugs Plus. Whether you're here for exam revision or just general interest, I hope you find this video useful. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to support this channel so that I'm able to continue creating this content. This video is all about synapses. Synapses are the gaps between neurons, which might not sound particularly important. On the contrary, however, a properly functioning synapse is vital for the transmission of any nervous signal and is the target of a huge number of therapeutic drugs. Let's take a closer look. The first stage of synaptic transmission is the action potential arriving at the presynaptic membrane. The action potential is the electrical phenomenon which carries a signal from each end of the neuron. For more information on this, you can see my dedicated video, the link for which I'll provide below. This wave of membrane depolarization causes vesicles containing neurotransmitters to approach the presynaptic membrane. The arrival of the action potential also causes the opening of voltage-gated calcium channels. This facilitates the influx of calcium ions which act on the neurotransmitter vesicles, causing them to exocytose their content, i.e. the neurotransmitter. These neurotransmitters then diffuse across the synapse and bind to the receptors on the postsynaptic membrane. Neurotransmitters can be either inhibitory, such as serotonin or GABA, or excitatory, such as acetylcholine or noradrenaline. The binding of inhibitory neurotransmitters to their postsynaptic receptors prevents the propagation of a further action potential and the nerve impulse as a whole. The binding of excitatory neurotransmitters to their postsynaptic receptors, however, does trigger an action potential and the nervous impulse continues to propagate. Now, a note on summation, a phenomenon which can amplify many small stimuli to one large response. Sometimes many neurons connect to one neuron. The small amount of neurotransmitter released from each can add up to be enough to reach the threshold to trigger an action potential in the subsequent neuron. This is known as spatial summation. Similarly, if many small stimuli occur in quick succession, then these also add up to activate subsequent neurons as more neurotransmitter is incrementally added to the synaptic cleft. This is known as temporal summation. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to support this channel so I'm able to continue creating this content. I'll be back with more videos soon.